minimalistic design meets maximum comfort in this Grohe Lineare bath mixer. Its GROHE SilkMove cartridge technology guarantees effortless adjustment of temperature and volume, offering smooth handling that lasts for years. GROHE's StarLight chrome finish ensures a scratch-resistant, dazzling surface that's easy to clean. And you can be certain of the outstanding GROHE quality, all backed up by our 5-year guarantee. The basin, bidet, shower and bath taps in this range provide a perfect solution tailored to your bathroom. GROHE Lineare, slim, sensual minimalism and pure geometries.